Assalamu alaikum students. As I have told you that I will explain you one of the very important questions. Previously we have completed our Euler's theorem. Okay, Euler's theorem we have completed. So depend on that Euler's theorem only I am explaining the problem. Okay, our topic. Our chapter name is partial differentiation, that is unit 1 for BSc first year students. Okay, long type question. If u is equals to tan inverse x cube plus y cube by x plus y, then we have to show that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to sin 2u. Okay, sin 2u you have to show. Now previously students, you people have know that what we have proved in our Euler's theorem. What is our Euler's theorem? Euler's theorem is x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y is equals to nz. So n is called the degree of the equation. Okay, n is called the degree of the equation. Now with the help of this problem, I am going to explain you how we have to solve the Euler's theorem equation. Okay, so what is given to you? So our solution starts from here. Given to you, u is equals to tan inverse x cube plus y cube by x plus y. Okay, so what we are taking here, let okay, tan u is equals to f. We are taking this, we are considering this, tan u is equals to f we are taking. Okay, so how we will use this tan u is equals to f term. So our equation is given as u is equals to tan inverse x cube plus y cube by x plus y. I am shifting this tan to that side. Okay, so it becomes tan u is equals to x cube plus y cube by x plus y. Whenever you shift this tan inverse term to the opposite side of equal sign, so it becomes tan. Okay, and if you shift this tan to this side, it becomes tan inverse. So we got our term tan u is equals to x cube plus y cube by x by. As we have taken tan u is equals to f, this term I am substituting here, so we will get that implies f is equals to x cube plus y cube by x plus y. Now we have to show that this is our homogeneous equation. Now I am going to explain you how we have to find the equation is homogeneous or not. Okay, and we have to find the degree of the equation. Degree, this is n part we will find here. Okay, so the degree of the homogeneous, we will find the degree of the homogeneous function can be obtained as. Now I am going to explain you how to find the degree of the equation and how to check the function is homogeneous or not. Okay, so first of all, what is our equation is given to you? F is equals to x cube plus y cube by xy. Okay, so this is the function. Okay, as we have taken in our Euler's theorem, z is equals to f of x comma y. Okay, so this is the function including x and y, that is x comma y is equals to x cube plus y cube by x plus y. Okay, so for checking the homogeneity, okay, so what you have to do, substitute in the place of x is equals to kx and y is equals to ky. Substitute in the place of x kx, in the place of y ky. So what we will get here, just look over here, x kx comma ky is equals to, what is the term we are having? X cube. X cube means kx cube plus ky cube by kx plus ky. So what is that we are getting? Kx cube plus ky whole cube. So I am having here k cube and k cube. Okay, so I am taking out k cube common, so it become x cube plus y cube, and here also I am taking k common, it become x plus y. Okay, so I am cancelling this x and one of the this k and one of the k from here, so it becomes k square x cube plus y cube by x plus y. So that is our original function f of x comma y. So it is k square f of x comma y. So this is our homogeneous function. Whenever we substitute in the place of x, kx and ky, we will get our original equation with k and power. What is this power? This power is called as degree of the equation. Therefore, the degree of the equation is 2. That is n equals to 2 you are having. Okay, n equals to 2 you are having. So now we are proceeding for Euler's theorem equation. Now according to Euler's theorem, what we are having? Equation x dou f by dou x. So previously we are having z is our function. Now we are having f is our function. So I am substituting f dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y is equals to 2f. So in the place of n I am substituting 2 because we got n equals to 2 as the degree of the equation. Okay, so now after that what we have to do? Our function f. What is our function f? F is nothing but f is equals to tan u. Okay, f is equals to tan u is our function. Now listen. So we have to take dou f by dou x. We have to differentiate our function with respect to x. But our function is f is equals to tan u. Okay, the variable is given to u as u. So we have to differentiate first. Dou f by dou u is equals to, differentiation of tan u becomes secant square u. Dou f by dou u is equals to secant square u. Okay, now because we have to find dou f by dou x. How to find dou f by dou x? Dou f by dou x can be obtained as dou f by dou x into dou u. Dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x. Okay, so what I have done here? This part. So dou f by dou x, what I have done? Multiplying and dividing by dou u. Dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x. If I cancel these two things, whatever I will get, the same thing, dou f by dou x I got. So like by this method or by this rule, we will find our dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is nothing but dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x. Okay, you people, what you have to do? You are having the term dou f by dou u is equals to secant square u. I am substituting this dou f by dou u here in the place. Therefore, dou f by dou x is equals to secant square u into dou u by dou x. Okay. In the same way, I have to find dou f by dou y. Okay. Dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y is nothing but dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y. So in the place of dou f by dou u, what I am substituting? Secant square u dou u by dou y. So I am getting this term. This is I am taking as 1 and this is I am taking as 2. Okay, dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. So where I have to substitute this? In our Euler's theorem equation. What is our Euler's theorem equation? X dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y is equals to 2f. So I am substituting this part here. So that is my next page. So what is our equation? X dou f by dou x. Here, x dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y is equals to 2. That is the degree of the equation into f. Dou f by dou x, what I get? X as it is. Dou f by dou x means secant x as it is. Dou f by dou x means secant square u dou u by dou x plus y as it is. Secant square u dou u by dou y is equals to 2. What is the term f? Look at back. We have taken the term f is equals to tan u. That is the function tan u we have taken. So what we are having here? X secant square u dou u by dou x plus y secant square u dou u by dou y is equals to 2 tan u. So what now I am having this secant square u and secant square u common here. So I am shifting this secant square u to that side. So what I have get secant square u common. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to 2 tan u. Okay, so now x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to 2 tan u. I am shifting this secant square to the next side. This is, so it becomes, it is there in the numerator here, it will come down to the denominator secant square u. Okay, so what is the term we get? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to 2. In the place of sign, I am writing what? Sign. I am converting this sign tan u. I am converting this tan u to sin u by cos u. Okay, we know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so according to that I am writing sin u and cos u. And in the place of secant square u, we know that secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. So secant square u becomes what? Secant square u becomes what? 1 by cos square u. Okay, secant square u. This tan part I am writing sin u by cos u divided by 1 by cos square u. So this part we will get 2 into sin u by cos u into cos square u by 1. So cos square u only. This cos and 1 cos from here gets cancelled. What we will get? 2 sin u into cos u. We know again the formula. What formula? We know that what? 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to sin 2 theta. So this 2 sin u cos u will give you sin 2u, which is our required proof. Okay, that is x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to sin 2u. Okay, this is what we have got our Euler's theorem equation. So what you people have to do, you people have to note down all this problem in your notes and try to understand this problem. And if you are having any doubt, so please write me in the comment section or directly call to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Till then, in my next video I will explain one of very important question from partial differentiation only. Then after that I will shift to the next unit. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.